Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out the June Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription offered by Macy's. It's $15 a month. It will include products from Macy's Beauty Department, and they are generally sample and deluxe travel sizes. I think once in a blue moon you'll get a full-size product, but the point of this is to give you samples of products that they sell so you can try them and decide if you want to buy the full size. Occasionally you will get a takeover box, which is one manufacturer will provide the samples for the entire box, which is really fun. There are some usuals in quotation marks because usually you get these, but you don't always anymore. There's usually a coupon in here for a future purchase. There's usually a free surprise item, and there's usually 5 sample products, and sometimes perfume is included in that. So we're going to see what is in here. I really don't know what's in this box. Sometimes I will get a little preview picture on the email that tells me my order's coming, but I didn't this time or else I couldn't see it. But the box opens with a perforation, and you open the inside and you get your tissue wrapped. Last month they gave us Macy's tissue paper. It's always pink, has been always pink, and then last month they switched it to Macy's logo and white. So I was like, oh, they changed it. And also this is not as well wrapped as usually. You have to untuck it. This is not up to standard Macy's. We did get our coupon though, and this is $10 off a $40 beauty purchase, and they're good for a while. This becomes good on June 23rd and is good until August 18th. So I've got a good long time to figure out what I want to buy. And this is all that's in here other than this is this. So everything that we have is wrapped up in our tissue paper. As we go through this package, I would love to hear your comments on the products. If you've used any of these, let me know. Let me know your experience with it. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Was it eh? Do you have a better option for me if I don't like what's in here? Also, if you do like this video, I'd love for you to hit me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, I'd love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you want to not miss out on future videos, you can hit that notifications bell. All right, let's get this all the way unwrapped and see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, we got 7 products and we did get a free surprise item, which I'm glad about. So we got a little set of clips, and the last set of clips we got were little hearts, and these look like shells. Okay, cute. Now these ones, I'm not sure if these are meant for the hair and makeup situation or actually for wearing for decoration because they have teeth. Usually the ones that are just for holding your hair back when you're doing your makeup don't have teeth, but I would say that because my hair is so thin, the teeth actually work a lot better. So I'm going to use these for you just clip them in your hair and pretend you're like in grade school and get your hair clipped back. And you can do your face wash or put on your makeup or whatever you want to do without getting your hair in the way and also without messing your hair up. So very cute little free surprise item. 2 very cute little shell decal or shell decor clippies. So this will be our free surprise item. Now we're going to dive into this big pile of sample stuff. So let's see. We're going to start with this one. This is Make Me Blush by Yves Saint Laurent. So we got a YSL blush sample trio. Very pretty. So we have Lavender Lust, Fuchsia Fling, and Nude Lavalier. I think that's what that is. Very pretty, so it gives you a chance to try some YSL colors without spending YSL money. I'm sure these are not very inexpensive if you want to buy the full size, but we can try those, and I will try all of those. I like those. I might use that lavender one for an eyeshadow though. Don't tell YSL I used it for something different, but that's what I might do with it. My next little sample is from Kopari, and this is a Brightest Day Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. And this has a 50 SPF, so this is a great one to wear if you just don't want to wear makeup or wear it under your makeup and you need a little sunscreen. Kopari is a great brand, so we get a 5 ml size of Kopari sunscreen to try. Our next one, I got stuck it to my little baggie here. The next one is Clarins, and this is Bright Plus Advanced, and this is, a bright spot targeting. This is a dark spot brightening, this is a brightening dark spot targeting serum. Oh my goodness, how can I get the words out? But that's what this one is. And this is going to be a 3 ml size. So this is very small. Oh, Okay, so what did we get this in? A tiny squeezy tube? We got a little squeezy tube that is going to be 3 mils, so there's no way that that's even close to being full. But we got a 3 mil size of a clearance dark spot. Now, if I actually have, I think this is where it is. Yeah, I have a little dark spot coming up here. So I'm going to try this, and I'll let you know next month with Macy's video if it worked or not. We'll see. We'll try that one out and see. Our next little sample is from Clinique, and this is a Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. So we got a Clinique product, and this one says it's a hydration, so this is a moisturizer. And this one we have a 5 mil size. So this is the 5 mils is the average little sample size that we get. Cute little pink clearance, and it is mostly full with our little 5 mil size. So we got a little moisturizer. This would be a cute little travel one, or just to keep by your bedside. Sometimes I forget to put on moisturizer before I go to bed, so I'll grab one out of my bedside table and put some on so I don't have to get back up again. That's just how some days go. The next one is from Lancome, and this is a Flutter Extension Mascara. And I am not going to open it because it will dry out, but we do have a Lancome sample, and this is in True Black of the Flutter Extension Mascara, and it is in just our little gold Lancome tube. But this is our example of what it should do for our eyelashes, which is really nice. But wait, we're not done. There's still more. I did not realize. We got a Giorgio Armani lipstick. Ooh, okay. So this is a little trial for Giorgio Armani lipstick. We actually got a Giorgio Armani serum as a sample in a reset box. That sample alone has $70 worth of product in it. Giorgio Armani is not cheap. And we got this beautiful, oh my gosh, is it that color? This beautiful lipstick. It is not that color, and it has been smushed on the end, but it's a pretty neutral, natural taupey color. And this is going to be a Lip Power Matte. So we have a matte Giorgio Armani lipstick sample. And one more thing, and this one might be close to full size. We have an Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a lip gloss. This is a 3.1 milliliter. And we have the shade Amber Sparkle. This sounds familiar. I feel like we have this. But this one is gorgeous. I'm not going to open it because I really think I have this exact same one. But you can see the color. It is a glitter lip gloss. And this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think if this is not the full size, this keeps sticking to me. If this is not the full size, it's very close to the full size. I'm going to remind you guys, this box is $15. In this $15 box, we got Giorgio Armani, we got Lancome, we got Anastasia Beverly Hills, we got YSL, we got Kopari, we got Clarins, we got Clinique, and we got cute little hair clips. We got a total of 8 products, counting the free one, plus we got a $10 coupon off a $40 purchase. Macy's is stepping it up, I feel like. We got more than 5 samples last month too, I think. And I'm not mad at it. They're giving us a ton. So normally the standard is 5. They gave us 7 actual samples plus the clippy. Amazing. If you guys have not yet hit subscribe for your Macy's box, I encourage you to do that. I will leave the link below in the description for you to go to the Macy's site and sign up. Generally, you will not get this month. You may not get next month. It usually comes, there's a gap between it, and you would get the month after. I had to wait. I think I signed up in November and I didn't get a box till January, but it is worth the wait, you guys. I encourage you to give it a try. Sign up. You can try these beautiful, amazing luxury products for a fraction of the cost. Where else can you do that but Macy's? I ask you. So let me know what you think about these products in the comments below. Again, hit like if you enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And for today, I want to thank you for joining me and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.